Welcome to the in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should get the Ampere application from the Play Store, and now here in the search pool under the Ampere, and now we should get this application, so tap to install. And wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing. After that, just open the app, and here click yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK. Now here you can see the temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 28. And also here we have a different other information about our battery status, level, capacity, and more other info like the device model, Android version, and more information here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.